Alright, so I have to show you guys something. Today is June the 16th, and I noticed this a few weeks ago. I've been trying to apply like some topical biotin gel to maybe help, but basically I got a bald spot and I thought it would grow back, but I'm a little concerned now. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna zoom you in and show you, but this is it, and as you can see, it's pretty big. I'm not stressed out, so I'm not sure where it came from. I use essentially the same products all the time. I wash my hair on a regular schedule. It's really smooth. And I noticed it when I was like parting my hair for some twists. And there's like, let me show you. Like I'm just a little nervous, but like, okay. Here, for instance, I don't know, that looks like a wide part though. Like I did part my hair here, but my parts are usually not this wide. There are some other spots where it feels kind of thin, but I could joke about it at first, but like now I'm getting concerned, and I just got off the phone. I made a dermatology appointment, but I noticed this at like the end of May, and like I said, I thought it would grow back, but it hasn't. It's not something that runs in the family. Like I said, I'm not stressed. I know stress can cause hair loss, because like no is my favorite word. No, I will go home early, I will cancel plans, so it's not that I don't have a stressful life. There's nothing for me to really be stressed about. So I guess I'll keep you guys updated. Hey guys, it's Chris. I'm in better spirits today. It's Saturday, June 19th. So I have my hair in a wash and go. And before, this is what I was using to apply to my bald spot in the hopes that it would grow back. It's Purity Naturals Biotin Hair Serum. I heard about this through Latoya Ebony here on YouTube. She mentioned using this to regrow her edges. I have not seen any progress for my bald spot. So today I just applied this, but this is something I've had, but I stopped using it because I stopped using oils and butters on my hair. But I thought, you know what? It's kind of literally my scalp I'd be applying it to, so I have nothing to lose. So this is something I had before the detox. It's by Camille Rose Naturals. It's a growth serum, and honestly I love the way it smells. I would use this for body even too, but it's got ingredients like biotin, honey, MSM, tea tree oil, and I know it's got some Ayurvedic herbs in it too, and I know that can possibly help with hair growth. So I went in the bathroom. Let me show you my spot. We gotta give her a name. Let me see, where is it? Hold on. Oh, okay. I'm trying to hold the camera steady and show you my bald spot at the same time. I'm trying so hard to get it to focus, but basically it hasn't really grown any at all. So I have my appointment with the dermatologist in 2 weeks, so I'm looking forward to that. Hopefully I can get some answers, and hopefully it will grow back, because I miss parting on that side. Hey guys, it is June 29th, and here's an update on my bald spot. I feel like now you can like really see it. Like you can't tell me you don't see that. It hasn't gotten worse. Maybe it looks worse because you might not have been able to really see it before. But I tried the Camille Rose oil, I've tried the Amla oil, my sister-in-law is telling me about. I haven't really seen any improvement. I have been taking MSM, I have been taking biotin. Still nothing. It's quite smooth there. There's a little like peach fuzz, but hopefully I get some answers soon. So what I'm doing for the time being, I like a side part, I like a middle part. But even with the middle part, like if I part it too close, like the other day, oh my goodness, I had like kind of a part closer to here. But like, my bald spot was a little exposed and I didn't know it. So I'm trying to be happy about it. Like I can kind of joke about it sometimes, but also I'm a bit concerned. I haven't tried my holy oil. Let me try that. I meant to do that a while ago, so I just put a little holy oil, anointed my bald spot, and prayed over it. But like a lot of times, I guess it's easy to forget to ask God for what you need, and you have not because you ask not sometimes. So hopefully at the end of this video I'll have a wonderful testimony about how God restored my bald spot and how I didn't have to go to the dermatologist and pay that expensive copay, and it just came back after that. Hopefully that's how this ends, but if not, you know, that's okay too. Whatever God's will is. If it's his will for my hair to come back right there, it's gonna come back, and if not, God help me accept it. Hello there, it is the 5th of July. It's 5:11 p.m. My appointment is the day after tomorrow, so still no improvement on the spot. This is the major spot. Now I'm gonna tell you, like earlier today I was like testing out like parting, or like kind of seeing if I could like maneuver a twist to cover the spot or something. But like right here, does this look like a spot to you guys too? Or I don't know, it looks a little sparse right there, but I don't know. Hopefully I get some answers. But yeah, I think for the appointment what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna twist my hair tonight. I'm gonna wash it. I tried a new gel, I'm not a fan. But yeah, I'm gonna twist my hair up, and then I'm going to let it down so that way she can like really dig through my hair and see for the appointment Tuesday, and also so I have a nice braid out. But I'm interested to see like what the solution will be like, if she's gonna like give me like a scalp injection or like shampoo, or like if there's something I can take. I'm still taking biotin, and again there's nothing there, so Hey guys, so it's July 7th and I'm actually getting ready to go to the dermatologist. So by the time you guys see the footage, I will probably already be there or have some sort of answer, I really hope. But I wanted to elaborate on a few things that maybe I didn't touch on, like in the footage that you saw earlier. Like this is, I can't stress, like I'm a creature of habit when it comes to my hair. Like I wash my hair once a week on a regular basis. I use the same products. I don't have a pattern of hair loss in my family on my mom or my dad's side, like especially in the women in my family. So this is like really uncommon. I don't use a lot of tension styling. You guys see I don't do like braids or anything, or twists or anything that may even remotely pull my hair. Like I don't lay my edges. Like I'm very careful and intentional about the way that I choose to style my hair and the products that I choose to use on my hair. So I'm really you know, but I'm excited to go, because let me show you like this, for instance. Okay, this is what the spot looks like, and it still feels smooth. You can still see there's not really any growth there. Let me see if I can zoom you in a little, if you can really see it. Yeah, but it's like that there. And also, I think I showed you guys this before, but like to me, I don't know. I'm just ready to get some answers, hopefully. Like, is that a, you know, is that a spot? Is this a spot, y'all? I'm just ready to get some answers, because of course now that I'm a plain Jane also, so I usually wear my hair pretty much the same way all the time. But of course now I'm like, well, what if I want to flat iron my hair? Or what if I want to part it over here? You know, I have to worry about covering this huge spot. So I kind of nervous and kind of anxious, but the next bit of footage, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, but the next bit of footage that you will see will be I guess me after the appointment, hopefully with some answers and results, or whatever treatment plan, you know, the dermatologist recommends. I'll maybe be discussing that, or if I'm recommended to go to a trichologist. I don't know if I said that right, but hopefully I get some sort of answers. I mean, even if that spot would just fill out a little bit, so that way I could like, wear other parts and stuff. Y'all hear that? That's my cat. Oh my goodness. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. Guys, say a prayer for me, you know. Keep me in your thoughts. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.